Let me show you how you can delete remind messages on the iPhone. So most likely you're referring to this. So inside of your reminders app, the place where you can set up reminders, you have a secret little setting where if you create a new one, for example, I'm going to type in a new reminder to, I don't know, send info to someone, whatever, and you can see that we can click on the details below and enable the when messaging option, and you can kind of like connect this reminder with a specific person. So when you click on a select contact, you can make sure that when you are texting with I don't know, John or Bob, right? For example, I'm texting with Bob. This is when I'm going to be reminded about it. And if you don't like that, then of course you can delete it within the reminder. So if you're texting someone and you get reminded about some random things, then in order to change it or delete it, you go to the reminders again, find the one where you have the messaging connected. You can tap on it, go to info, and make sure that when messaging is disabled. Or obviously you can also edit and choose a different contact in there, but I guess that's the thing that you wanted to do. Just make sure you click on a save so it gets saved like this, and we are essentially done. So I hope it helps, but that's probably the thing that you are looking for. Let me know if that's actually the case. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.